In the ever-evolving landscape of modern home interior decoration, walls have taken on new roles. No longer are they merely structural boundaries. They've become opportunities for self-expression, for storytelling, and for infusing character into a space. One of the most powerful and visually striking ways to do this is by transforming walls into stunning minimalist wood art. This practice doesn't just serve as aesthetic enhancement. It represents a deeper return to organic textures, handmade elements, and timeless simplicity that speak directly to the heart of modern design. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stunning minimalist wood art design ideas. You can transform your walls into self-expression space as well as for modern interior home decoration pieces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Minimalist wood wall art offers a perfect harmony between natural material and modern style. In a world increasingly dominated by screens, synthetic materials, and fast-changing trends, there's something deeply grounding about the permanence and warmth of wood. It brings us closer to nature, even when we're indoors. When crafted into minimalist forms, wood art speaks softly but powerfully. It doesn't overwhelm a space with complexity or color. Instead, it draws the eye with quiet confidence and invites a feeling of calm and contemplation. What makes this kind of wall art especially significant is its ability to bring craftsmanship back into the home. In modern design, we often find ourselves balancing functionality with form, and wood art does both. These pieces can be as simple as geometric patterns, layered textures, or natural grain displays, but their simplicity belies the skill and thoughtfulness that goes into making them. Creating wood art, even for beginners, is a hands-on process that invites mindfulness. It requires focus, patience, and a respect for the material. In return, it offers a product that feels personal, authentic, and enduring. For the modern homeowner, the appeal of minimalist wood wall art also lies in its versatility. These pieces can be scaled to fit any space, from large panels that make a statement in a living room to smaller, more intricate designs that add interest to an entryway or bedroom. They blend effortlessly with a range of styles: Scandinavian, industrial, contemporary, or even bohemian. Because they are grounded in natural materials and clean lines, they offer cohesion rather than competition in a space. They act as a unifying element, softening hard architecture and warming up sterile surfaces. There's also a deeper emotional resonance to this kind of decor. In an age where so much of our environment feels mass-produced or digital, making something with your hands, particularly something that becomes a permanent fixture in your home, brings a sense of pride and ownership. Minimalist wood wall art becomes not just an object, but a reflection of the person who made it. Each cut, sanded edge, and arranged plank holds a story. These are the details that create emotional connections between people and their spaces. The wall becomes a living canvas, a manifestation of memory and meaning. From a design perspective, minimalist wood art serves a unique function. Unlike bold paintings or busy decor, wood adds dimension without visual clutter. It enhances light by casting subtle shadows through layering and texture. It can act as a focal point in a minimalist room or as a complementary element that adds depth to an already rich design. The lines, angles, and textures found in minimalist wood pieces mimic those found in nature: tree branches, flowing water, mountain ridges, and bring that same organic rhythm into indoor spaces. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another important aspect of transforming walls with minimalist wood art is sustainability. As people become more conscious of their environmental footprint, using reclaimed wood or sustainably harvested materials becomes not just a design choice, but an ethical one. Repurposing wood to create something beautiful for your home is an act of environmental mindfulness. It's a reminder that beauty doesn't have to come from excess. It can come from thoughtful reuse, from simplicity, from finding elegance in what already exists. For those interested in DIY home improvement or decor, minimalist wood wall art is one of the most accessible and rewarding projects to undertake. It doesn't require complex tools or a professional workshop, just some basic materials, inspiration, and a willingness to create. This makes it ideal not only for artisans or hobbyists, but also for everyday homeowners looking to make a space their own. The process of designing, measuring, cutting, and assembling becomes a form of creative therapy. It's a chance to slow down in a fast-paced world and engage with something tactile and real. Income generation is another layer of significance for those who master the craft. Minimalist wood wall art has a strong and growing market appeal. With the rise of online platforms like Etsy, Instagram, and Pinterest, handmade decor, especially pieces that reflect modern and minimalist aesthetics, is in high demand. A woodworker or decor enthusiast can turn their passion into profit by offering custom or ready-made wall art that appeals to homeowners, interior designers, and businesses alike. Because each piece can be unique, there's room for personal branding and creative freedom. What begins as a personal project can easily grow into a small business or side hustle. More than just its earning potential, though, the emotional satisfaction of seeing your art displayed on a wall, whether your own or someone else's, is profound. It gives a sense of purpose and creative fulfillment. It also allows the maker to contribute beauty and warmth to environments that might otherwise feel cold or generic. Each piece becomes a dialogue between nature and design, between maker and space. In the broader context of modern interior decoration, minimalist wood wall art represents a larger movement toward authenticity and intentionality. It rejects mass-produced decor in favor of something thoughtful and lasting. It challenges the idea that beauty must be complex or expensive. And it champions the notion that the best spaces are those that feel personal, grounded, and alive. When we think about transforming walls into stunning pieces of art, we're really thinking about transformation on multiple levels. The physical transformation of a space, the creative transformation of materials, and the emotional transformation of the people who live within those walls. It's a reminder that home isn't just a place, it's a feeling, and that feeling is shaped by what we choose to surround ourselves with. Minimalist wood art on the walls of a home invites presence. It's not loud, but it lingers. It doesn't need words to tell its story. It simply stands in quiet elegance, reflecting the harmony between craftsmanship, design, and human connection. In that way, it becomes more than decor. It becomes a form of communication, a visual poem that enhances not just the room, but the lives of those who live in it. So when you look at a blank wall, consider not just how to fill it, but how to elevate it. Consider what it could mean to make that space beautiful not with noise, but with natural grace. With minimalist wood wall art, you're not just decorating, you're making a lasting impression in the most quietly powerful way. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stunning minimalist wood art design ideas. You can transform your walls into self-expression space, as well as for modern interior home decoration pieces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.